Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I've got another app for you guys. This one is like you can find out the weight of Earth by multiplying all the weight of the other planets. So you can see these codes. I'll show you. So the Mercury weight, which is 0.3. So you just multiply it from the text input one, which you can see text input one, and then you just keep on doing like that for all the planets, and then you can get the answer. So Venus is 0.9, and Mars is 0.3, Jupiter is 2.4, so that goes on, as you can see. So I'll just show you, run it. So I just type any number, example 20. So weight of Earth, we say like is 20, and then it'll come the weight of Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. So like you can type any weight. I hope you understood this app. So if I now type like 21, then it'll come other numbers, because I'm multiplying over here. As you can see, multiplication sign, I'm multiplying by their weights, and then the Earth weight, which I'm putting in the text input, is getting multiplied with this 0.3, 0.9, and that's how the answer is coming. So the app was this. Hope you enjoyed this app. Thanks for watching.